Presumably, said the secretary. You can arrange a room where. No problem. He is in a cell on his own. If you have no objection, he can sit the exam in there. That's fine, and we could easily get on the one of the parsons from St. Mary's Max to invigilate. If that fine is, they seem to have a lot of parsons there, don't they? The two men chuckled God naturally, and the secretary had a final thought. At last, there was one thing, you should not have much trouble keeping him in communado, should you? The governor chuckled politely once more, retired his thanks and slowly created the fonts Evans. Presumably means to assume or believe. Sell, lock up. Objection, complaint. Parsons, churchman or priest. St. Mary's Max, St. Mary's Magdalene Church in England. That is the name of a church. Invigilate, supervise. Chuckled, laughed quietly. Incommunicado. Incommunicado, not able to or allowed to communicate with the other people. Retired, repeated. Cradled, rested, placed back. The secretary asked the governor if he could arrange a room for the exam. The secretary asked to the governor if he can or if it is possible to arrange a room for the examination. The governor replied that there was no such problem because Ivan was in his own lockup. So the governor said that. The governor replied that yes, we can arrange the exam in his own lockup. Lockup means he is in jail. So they could conduct the exam there if the secretary had no problem with it. So if the secretary had no problem with it, the exam should be conducted inside the lockup itself. The secretary found it suitable. So the secretary also found the place. The lockup is very safe place to conduct for the exam and it is a suitable place to conduct the exam. The governor also told him that they would call a churchman from a nearby church, St. Mary's Max, who would keep a check on Ivan during the examination. So the governor also told that they can call a churchman. A churchman means a priest from a nearby church, St. Mary's Max. The name of church is St. Mary's Max, who would keep a check on Evans during the examination. During the examination, they can appoint a priest from the nearby church. That is the name of the church is St. Mary's Max to invigilate him during the time of the examination. The secretary laughed that the church had a good number of priests and one could be assigned the job of supervision. So secretary laughed and said that yes, it is a good idea because nearby church there are a lot of priests and we can hire or we can call one of them for the job of supervision in the exam. The secretary questioned the governor that if it was easy to stop Evans from communicating with the other persons. The governor laughed and thanked him for accepting his request. The secretary questioned the governor that it was easy to stop Evans from communicating with the other person. It is very easy to stop the communication with the Ivan from the other person. The governor laughed and thanked him for accepting his request. He then put the receiver of the phone back on the rest and called for Evans. So the governor had said thanks to the secretary for accepting his request and he called for Evans. Ivan, the break, as the prisoner officers called him. Thrice he had escaped from the prison, and but for the recent wave of the unrest in the maximum security establishment up north, he would not be gracing the governor's premises in the Oxford, and the governor was going to make absolutely certain that he would not be disgracing them. Not that Ivan was a real burden, just a persistent nagging presence. He would be all right in Oxford though. The governor would see to it personally, and besides there was just a possibility that Ivan was genuinely interested in O-level German. Just a slight possibility, just a very slight possibility. At 8:30 p.m. on Monday 7th June, Ivan's German teacher shook him by the hand in the heavily guarded recreational block just across from Deaving. Then, Guten Tag, Herr Evans. Pardon, I said good luck for tomorrow. Oh, thank you. I mean, you could dance show. You have a cat in the hell and chance of getting through, of course. But I supervise everybody, said Evans. Escape, run away, get free, establishment, setting up. building, garage, bring honor or credit someone or something on one attendance or participants, premises, building site, persistence, continuous, nagging, here irritation, genuine, real, actual, recreation, relaxation or fun. Guten Luck, German language word of good luck. So Guten Luck, Gluck means it is a German word of same as good luck. Her, German language word of Mr. Pardon, a request to speaker to repeat something because one did not hear understand it. Danken show, German language word for thank you very much, thank you kindly. Having cat himself chance to be completely unachieved to have something. Ivan had escaped from the prison thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Due to the recent unrest, it is in the highly guarded areas of North. He would not allow to be present at the governor residence in Oxford. So Ivan had escaped from the prison thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Due to the recent unrest. Unrest means problems in the highly guarded areas of North. He would not allow to be the present at the governor residence in Oxford. So he is not able to, yes, he is not allowed to present at the governor's residence in Oxford. The governor did not want to be disgraced by Ivan. Ivan was not a burden, but presence was uncomfortable. So actually Ivan was not a man who creates problem, but his presence was what? His presence was so uncomfortable. The governor planned to supervise him personally when he visited Oxford. So the governor planned him to supervise him personally. Personally means the governor himself supervised him when he visited the Oxford. It was possible that Ivan was actually interested in adding up to his qualification by learning German. So it was possible that Evans was actually interested in adding up to his qualification by learning German. On 7th of June, Monday at 8:30 p.m., the German teacher shook hands with Evans and the high security recreational block which was across the DV. He wished him luck in German language, but Ivan could not understand it. Later, Ivan realized it and thanked the teacher. The teacher commented that Ivan was not prepared and did not even have the slightest chance to pass the exam. Ivan said it was possible that he cleared the exam and would surprise everyone. So, Ivan is almost Ivan is ready to write the examination. So on the 7th of the June, Monday at 8:30 p.m., the German teacher shook his hand. Shook his hand means shake his hand with the Evans at the high security recreational block. Recreational block means it is an area that is used for the recreation. Recreation means what? For a leisure time activities, which was across the DV. He wished him luck in German language, but Ivan could not understand it. So the German teacher wished him a good luck in German language, but the Ivan could not understand about it. Later, Ivan realized it and thanked the teacher. So later, Ivan realized the German word and thanked for the teacher for his wishes. The teacher commented that Ivan was not prepared and did not even have the slightest chance to pass the examination. What was the teacher's first comment? Yes, Ivan teacher's first comment was Ivan is not prepared well and he have even the slightest chance to. Slightest means a small chance to pass the examination. Ivan said it was possible that he cleared the exam and would surprise everyone. So Ivan is very confident and he said that yes, I would pass the examination and also surprise everyone too. Okay. Then at 30, the following morning, Ivan had a visitor. Two visitors in fact. He tucked his grubby string vest in his equally grubby trousers and stood up from his bunk, smiling cheerfully. Morning, Mr. Jackson. This is indeed an hour. Jackson was the senior prison officer on DV, and he and Ivan had already become warm enemies. At Jackson's side stood Officer Stephenson, a burly, surely looking man only recently recruited to the profession. Jackson nodded curtly. And how our little Einstein this morning then? Wasn't a mathematician, Mrs. Jackson? I think, oh, Joe, Mr. Maxon. Ivan's face was unshaven and he wore a filthy looking red and a white bobble hat upon his head. Get me a chance, Mr. Jackson. I was just going to shave when you burst in. Tucked means push. tuck means always tucking means inserting the dresses in the trouser, that is known as tucking. Grubby, dirty. Bunk, narrow bed attached on the wall. Burly, large and strong man. Surely, bad-tempered and unfriendly. Recruited, appointed. Curtly, shortly, brief. Filthy, dirty. The next morning at 8:30, Ivan was visited by two men. He tucked his dirty string vest into his dirty trousers. Tuck means pulled out his dress inside the trousers and stood up from his bed that was attached to the wall. So the bed is what attached. He stood up from the bed that is attached near to the wall. He greeted Mr. Jackson cheerfully and said it was an honor for him that he visited his cell early in the morning. So Ivan greeted Mr. Jackson and said that it was an honor. Honor means it is a great respect for him. Him means Ivan, that he visited his cell early in the morning. Jackson was the senior prison officer of D wing and both Jackson and Evans were enemies. Actually, Jackson was the senior prison officer of the D wing, D block or D wing, and both Jackson and Evans were enemies. Mr. Stephenson was newly appointed officer and a strong looking man had come along with Mr. Jackson. So along with the Jackson, a newly appointed prison officer, that is Mr. Stephens, also come along with Jackson to visit Ivan. Jackson greeted him briefly and then asked him about his well-being and made a fun of him by calling him Einstein. So Jackson made him greeted him with a morning and also tried to make a fun by calling it as Einstein. Do you know who is Einstein? Einstein is a great scientist. So Jackson called that name and have made a fun on him because he is going to study or write the examination. Ivan replied in a similar way by pointing him out. Einstein was a mathematician and then said that he thought that he was a Jew. Ivan replied in a similar way. Ivan also replied in a similar way and pointing him out that and pointing out said that Einstein was a mathematician and then said that he thought he was a Jew. Ivan had not shaved and he was wearing a dirty hat on his head. He asked Jackson to excuse him as he was going to shave when both of them entered his cell. In the morning, Ivan was not shaved his face and wore a dirty hat and he asked Jackson for an excuse and he is going for what? Going to shave at the time. Which reminds me, Jackson turned his eyes on Stephenson. Make sure you took a razor out of the cell when he finished scraping that ugly mug off his clear. One of these days he will do us all favor and cut his bloody throat. For a few seconds, Ivan looked thoughtfully at the man standing ramrod straight in front of him and string on the World War medal's proud parade of his left breast pocket. Mr. Jackson, was it you took my nail and scissors away? Evans had already worried about his hands, scraping to remove unwanted covering, her shaving, mark a person's face, ramrod, her ear a strict supervisor, palette, her lined, nail scissors, nail cutter. After hearing Mr. Jackson told Stephenson that this reminded him Stephen should take away the razor. Razor means a blade. As soon as he had completed shaving his ugly looking face. So Jackson said to the Stephenson that you have to take away the blade as soon as he finished his shaving his ugly face. Ugly face means not a good looking face. He also added that one day Ivan would do a favor for the prison officer by cutting his throat with a razor. So one day, so Jackson said that one day he had cut his throat with a razor. Ivan gave a thoughtful look at the strict supervisor who had medals from the Second World War lined up on the left side of his blazer. Blazer means the coat on the breast pocket. So Ivan had a thoughtful look towards the prison officer. Through his medal was hanging of the Second World War was hanging on his breast pocket. He asked him, Mr. Jackson, was it you? You looked away my nail cutter. Ivan was always worried about how his hand looked out. So he is worried about his nail cutter because his hand is looking very ugly. So Ivan was always worried about his hands looked, so he searched for the nail cutter. Okay, hope you have understood the lesson. Watch the video.